Today on Seasonings, we're talking about this, fennel. So here is the botanical name of what we're talking about, fennel. It's part of the parsley family and it is native to Southern Europe. And as such, you find fennel in a lot of Southern European cuisine. You find a lot in sausages. We make an Italian sausage that relies heavily on fennel. It is fantastic. The smell is like anise or licorice, and it's often confused with anise seed. You can find fennel in everything from sausages, cured meats, porchetta, works really well in fish dishes. It's common in Indian cooking. If you've ever wondered what the spices are in a Chinese 5-spice blend, this fennel is one of them. A lot of times at Indian restaurants, there'll be a little dish of fennel on the table and you use it as an after-dinner palate cleanser. It's fantastic for that. So you most often pair fennel with caraway, cumin, nigella seeds, oregano, hot pepper flakes. It's fantastic in so many dishes. If you don't have fennel in your spice cabinet, I think you really should.